Good afternoon. 21 October 2025, 16 hours 45 minutes. We will have the reading of the activity considering the credit created by obligations sourced in misconducts and not have criminal behavior against the institutional solidarity on it. We can claim one or all of them. We claimed all of them. We had a model offered for regression, a lot of them, and considering the autonomy of the judicial power and the obligation of the government to bring the accountability and transparency along the international community. We will have the Acadian as comparative matrix, institutional behavior, article 84, government and institution and federal institution like the police, the prosecution, and the judicial power, article 99, which if we had distortions at the Environment Rio de Janeiro Federative Unit, the president of the court as the main judge, but not necessarily the most powerful judge, because we had levels of activities that can suppress anything, especially operating on control instruments and fake records. As cretinismus brasilis, the obsessions to make crimes and fraud on control instruments, as corrosion of the institutional power, and make the variable or the make decision useless like monkeys with forks. You have no way to use your thumbnails. The last thing we had was like this. It's on Blog Risk Report 2025, 3october.blogspot.com. The White Data Taxa created for credit protection August 2024. The first to object the European system as monetarism. We had unveiled the piracy scam at the productive side of the economy, investment and savings. Also the fake currency, liquidity money and exchanged monetary markets, fake currency and counterfeit, subject of the international police, the first one, OECD, and the World Trade Organizations. And then we had the exchanged market with sub-levels as commercial practices with the endorsement and protection from institutional corruption. The NATO had a request to open directory and an investigation about this. It's all conclusive. Delivered as independent derogatory effort to Portugal. It's not isolated, but contextualized commercial practice in dubious way. The US Security at NATO, that brings the Security Forum USA Brazil with a criminal organization inside, involving both, between both, and in each one top-down corruption scam. And finally, the Japanese defense, Italy and Germany as review of the Second Great War armistice, because the defense is an essential right that back all essential freedoms you have. By the Constitution of Portugal, we have this quite clear told, right? And the equity at the European community for sure is a condition observed. Number one, we had the Davos suggested place to present accountability of debt, which is a debt system, by crimes perpetrated to the full, systematically made. We had the systemic crime on it, operated by a statehood unveiled at the G20 2024, continued on BRICS 2025, and NATO and United Nations Summit 2025. We had to call the United Nations Security Council to put eyes on it, despite having the eyes of UNODC. Against It's the debt against Brazil and peers by constitutional rules guarantees and essential basic rights, including the consumer, of all sorts violated by Brazil and peers that created obligation against all as solidary debtors. Right. 1.1 we have the embassies and flags. The interest hurt by Brazil and peers will keep receiving the issues as jus solis or by flags, reasoning arguments about unexcused practice without legal support and constitutional conformance along the years. Forward. You will receive on embassies these arguments by the criminal system and statehood. Brazil and peers unveiled and caught in Brazil without any support or cooperation from Brazil. The accountability of all made by Brazil and peers to satisfy the obligations created by themselves against themselves, and then they try to default this by themselves and among the deliberation among themselves. Broadcasting on Davos Economic Forum what had been done. Note. This very first accountability by local court, Rio de Janeiro Judicial Court, has specific goals. Recognize the mandatory needs for protection of property until the limits we have as possibility, like self-defense, if you do a reaction against an unfair and evil aggression. Killing the offender that threatened your life, it's the same thing if the offender crosses your privacy and privacy, leaving to contaminate your food or create a situation to put you under arrest or imprisonment after your contamination to die in prison, for instance. It's self-defense. And defense of property, intellectual assets, all interests and expectations with legitimacy and legal protection, including constitutional conformance, not respected by Brazil and peers in Brazil, with Brazil as the major sponsor of aggressions made. And then the accountability by local court has specific goals and the support of loan at this credit, that is a credit card signed the specific assignment designation with a bank that could be the Credit Suisse or the Deutsche Bank, to be in a place that must do this accountability in a very first moment without any kind of embarrassing situation, and it will be regressed against the Brazilian public budget that will pay back, do the cash back to the loan. It suggested $2,100. I mean, it's something like this, right? $200,000 or something like this. 2,000K, right? Almost 1 million as local monetary value Rio de Janeiro for the period in Davos, 3 or 4 days. What do not God use it as expenditure will be under devolution, part of the credit, and won't gonna have refund only what was made as expenditure. And it is doing like this because will be regressed. This chief of local court seems that didn't have the cause of all problems, but as most relevant judge must bring the reasons and list the name of all problematic judges and the kind of life they have, the involvement and relations going on, including the carnival criminal groups, to be under dismissed procedure. The inconvenient and not proper silence is abuse of discretionary power, and we have funded the budget, right? Simple like this. The same thing we had in the other diary, but more structured the creditor accountability to interest and European Commission. Self-defense, 1999, 2024, got the object 2024 up 2024, bring out conclusive 2022, 2025. The follow-up, waiting the conclusion and closing. Project to release my soul. Self-defense organized as industrial portfolio with layout as projects. Project-wide data taxa WDA 2024. Indoor anti-mafia violated. Simple question: how did you got in touch with the imaginary list of invented nickname girlfriends? If it was in the deep level of the privacy and private living in an instrument without connection. Second, how did you got in touch with someone invented nicknames, but how precise would be your decision if it was invented nicknames? Right? Third, by equity, you did also economic espionage, industrial sabotage, and all crimes. List and offer the instruments, everything you got in touch, modified or destroyed, broadcasting to the companies, claim the rights against Brazil and peers regressed by Constitutional Rule Article 37, paragraph number 6. First step of the WDA-wide data task was the European monetarism. Then we had the US security at NATO, Security Forum, corrosion and corruption, threatening and doing transference to the NATO as big bubbles complained by OECD, by Brazil, not liable relation at the financial system, enough reason to do the suspension of law on our investment and keep this as paradigm in USA and Cuba. Second Great War review and armistice, defensive right, Japan, Germany and Italy are told that would be made. It's necessary. It's a defensive right. 1. Davos, Switzerland. Suggested place to present and broadcast the actions of debtor system received by embassies and flags supposed to do it, after delivered by offenders that created an obligation against themselves by solidarity from power misuse, crimes, institutional corruption and treasonous practice. Against all flags, at least one has legitimacy to do the capital penalty. Unavoidable death also by the criminal groups you got involved with. Not my problem and all yours, and they are killing the entire families, even the children's. Release of credit. Individualized at the solidarity, not applied to all solidarity peers or the solidarity itself. It's someone that decided to be, out of the problem of doing everything regularly done to be released. Embassies and flags will receive the accountability of solidarity between peers and keep receiving complaints, reason, arguments against this effort to be researched, including the ties and relations on their interest, and claimed satisfaction against the solidarity is kept on obligation from institutional power and corruption and crimes on misuses that has no excuse, legal support, or legitimacy, because has no constitutional conformance but the opposite, right? It's constitutional violation and suppression of constitutional rights and guarantees, including the obligations created. Transparency. The embassies with legitimacy to receive the activities of solidarity obligations and the debt will receive along the year. It will be until the satisfaction totally. And broadcast in Davos Economic Forum, what had been done to satisfy the credit, how it had been done. We do not accept fake currency, things like this. But you can prostitute yourself or offer your organs by a free will decision. It's a liberal thing, not a tyranny. No one will force you. Source of resources and guarantees. And the ties you have, you can, for instance, help your older domain that you are customer and leak the boots, for instance, offering your kidney or something if this domain needs. And if involved, we'll kind of do the payment and we'll help everybody. Everything will be alright. Alternative ways for coverage, right? And listed offenders and new offenders and the released offenders, right? One more time and closing the conversation. I'm here in my privacy at my bedroom on private living. You crossed the lines of my private living, my privacy, and for instance, broadcast or got in touch with issues that are private, but decided to keep via public issues, right? Broadcast private and keep via public, right? You had switched the rationality of the law and many things, including the rights and guarantees. By equity, you put your system as legitimacy into arbitrariness and crimes to support the criminal practices and ties you had, right? You projected from the bottom and field level to the top or to the part of the institution that you can deny. Top-down corruption scam, interaction between other criminal groups. The transnational organized crime, a trust scam, operating as local compadrios. You are all traced from value -1, corruption, always crime, summary guilted you all. Have a terrific week and weekend almost.